Excuse me, where are the donkeys? These flies are awful. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. So it's currently 7 AM. Been driving for about 2.5 hours. I've got many more hours to go, and we're off chasing donkeys this weekend. So off chasing donkeys and probably some goats as well this weekend. I'm going through to station country where I got lots of access. Just riding solo this weekend. I've got to get some meat. Because the freezer is literally empty and we don't buy meat, so yeah, got to make it happen. Got to put some stuff in the freezer, and yeah, I'm going, the first station I'm going to is my mate's station, and the hope is I'll have a quick look for a goat, just drop in to say hi really, and see if there's anything around. If I can't see a goat quickly, I'm not going to really waste time. I'm just going to head straight out to the next station, which is about maybe not 2 hours away. That's where the donkeys really are, and hopefully, because once I get onto the station, I still got like another hour of driving before I can even get to where I kind of want to be. And where I want to be is there's like a middle dam, and there's an airstrip, and at the end of the airstrip, another K or so is a nice big ridge. So the plan is I'm going to get up on top of that ridge and use that as a glassing point, but I've also got the drone, so I'm going to cheat as well and pop the drone up every couple Ks and just do a quick scout out. I normally wouldn't kind of use a drone for hunting, but it's pretty desperate for me at the moment, so we'll see how we go. But yeah, wish me luck, and only many more hours of driving to go. So just hit the first station I've got access to, so I just stopped to get the gun out, and just get some stuff ready just in case that, you know, dog runs out or whatnot. Want to be prepared, and I'll just carry on to the next station, say hi to my mate, have a quick look for a goat. If there's no goats around, I'm not going to really stuff around looking for them, but yeah, have a look for a quick goat, and then carry on to the donkeys. So yeah, fingers crossed. If you're out donkey hunting, if you get the chance, look for these. So this is an old one, but what this is like the dominant jack, and what he's coming and doing is every couple of days, every day he'll come and he'll sit on this pile. When I'm looking for yep, no, here's a bit of new stuff. So if you have a look, that's fresher than all of this, and you can see there's a little bit of fresh stuff, but it's not super fresh. Normally, like I've seen them, you know, and they'll be knee high. Yeah. Would have thought it would have been a little bit higher, and that makes me think he might have got moved out or something, but there's some donkey tracks for you. So we'll I don't know, hopefully we'll get into one, but I'm mainly just try and get camp set up today, and then I've got 2 days to kill them. So been driving around for a bit and starting to see there's a bit of surface water, which is exactly what I didn't want really. I was hoping that the donkeys were all going to be concentrated on these few water sources while it's, you know, 40 odd degrees during the day. It's going to be 40 odd degrees every day while I'm here, so yeah, that's going to stuff my plans a little bit. I've still got Ks before I'm in donkey territory, but if I'm seeing surface water here, I'll be seeing surface water there, because there's it's a lot of clay pans, and the water just sits in there. So we'll get there, and we'll I'll get some bandage, and hopefully we'll see something. Just having a quick look, seeing if there's any sign around this one. Just like to check these out, see what's going on, see if there's any tracks. Still a little bit early to really start being in donkey sign. I've seen a few, but that's probably more just young jacks that have been pushed out.
So we've got a donkey. I think he's just popped below the rim in this dam. He's 300 odd meters away. I'm going to see if I can snake in closer and get him. I kind of set myself up here, but he's just too far. I gotta move quickly now. It's so hot. I don't want this meat to spoil. So I just literally have to run back to the car and get the car, and then I'll go get him. He's down, so it should be all good. So as you can see, young Jack, my first shot's exited back, so I think I hit a bit far back, but I just basically, my theory with these is you keep shooting until they drop, same with all animals. I put The first 2 shots were good. They exited far back, but I know they'll have hit the heart lung. And I don't like to see animals suffering, or if you put bullets in them, I like to see them drop as quick as possible. So I just put a few more into it until it dropped down, it was out. And so yeah, now I'll get to butchering this. I've got to be quick. I'm going to angle the ute so the crane can pick it up. He's a young jack, which is perfect eating. They're my favourite to eat. You know, these young jacks, he's not big enough to have kind of bossed around and started mating all the time, and he doesn't stink. So he's gonna be a good freezer filler. But I gotta get to work before these flies get more than I do. There's the donkey. So happy days. So I'll fill this esky up first, so I'll get everything off because it's the hardest one to access, and it's in the most shade all the time, so it'll stay coolest for the longest. Never go anywhere without this for donkey hunts, you need them. So this is what you got to do, you got to reverse it right up as it is. I'm used to doing this with kind of 2 people. Oh. So it's going to be a bit of fun. I'm going to have to work smarter and not harder. So just dragged it away from the guts, but now I can jack it the rest of the way up, which means I can skin it and get everything sorted. So front legs are off, back straps are off. I'll take the neck now, and then I'll take the ribs and the back legs. I've left the skin on the back legs just because you can see all the fucking flies. They're not too bad on the bare meat, but I just wanted to give them a bit of protection because they're the last thing I'm going to get to. So almost done. I'll snap that off now because meat ants are all coming through here, so I can drop the jack now because it'll be like it's not heavy, too heavy for it anymore. It's just a back leg, so I get the spine and shit off, drive forward another 5 meters, and then I can skin out the back legs, and that's one donkey down. And I'm not gonna be able to make it back to where I want to camp tonight, so I don't know, I'll figure something out.